And what I mean, we've given the number here, but let's make sure people know your number. Let's make sure people know the website. There's some really good, really good info on there.
Right. The website name is shouldIfileforbankruptcy.com or gotdebtpensacola.com. And the local number is 607-2222. And the toll-free number is 877-607-2228.
Again?
Which one?
The number.
607-2222 and 877-607-2228.
All righty. Well, it's 9:56. You still have a couple minutes left to call if you have any questions. But so the free bankruptcy test that you can take online, what does that entail? Is it tough? Do you have to get a lot of personal information out there, or is it something that you can kind of answer off the top of your head?
No, it's a 10 or 12 question quiz asking yes or no. Are bill collectors calling you? Are you late on payments? Are you taking cash advances out? Those sorts of things. And basically, if you answer any question yes, you probably should explore bankruptcy in further detail. So, and then you just put your name, number, and if you want us to call you, we can call you and schedule you a time, or you can call in and schedule a time, or like I said, you can schedule online and see what I have available throughout the week at the various locations, and self-schedule your own appointment online and fill out the bankruptcy information intake form, and that information will have asking for income and property and stuff like that, so we can properly advise you and figure out your situation and go from there. Figure out what you can do, what you can't do, what might be in your best interest.
Easy enough. So, Erich, I mean, like when you get back to office today, you got appointments lined up and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, do you think, is this a situation, I know that people, you have to make money. You can't just consult for free. But this is certainly more affordable than having them have to, go through and try to pay all their bills. And then a lot of these not credit reports, but these people that offer to pay your bills for you, and then you end up in even bigger trouble.
Right. Debt consolidation, that puts a lot of people in bankruptcy because a lot of them are just scams. If they don't sit down and do a budget with you, see how much money you have left over after you pay your necessary monthly expenses, if they just say, how much debt do you have? Okay, this is your monthly payment. Run. Do not talk to them. Hang up the phone. Don't call any of them on the internet or TV or even the radio. They're scams. Read their contracts carefully, because a lot of them, you're paying your monthly payment each month to pay out to your creditors, but they're the debt consolidation, that's the word I'm looking for. Company is keeping the payment to pay themselves for the first 7-8 months, so you're paying them a ton of money to do nothing but collect their fee, and then by the time it is time to pay your creditors haven't received payment in so long, and they're suing you and not accepting the reduced payment and all that kind of stuff. So, if you want to negotiate with your creditors, call them and negotiate with them. You don't need a third party, and you're going to save yourself a lot of heartache and trouble if you just avoid those debt consolidation companies.
All right, sounds good. Erich, we will give you a call. The number is
607-2222.
All righty.
All right.
Folks, get ready for Dr. Hillman. He is up next after this Fox News local news and a detailed look at your weather forecast right here on News Radio 1620.